Shalom and welcome to 2 Minutes of Torah. This year is entitled Har Habayit number 77, the Shita of the Minchat Yitzchak. Shita of the Minchat Yitzchak on the question of Zav. Is a person considered a Zav today? So first, what is a Zav? So we have a person who has an emission, he's called a Balkari. Balkari could go ahead and go to the mikveh right away. And according to Rambam, he is Tahor, he comes to Har Habayit. And only for Truma, he would have to wait till the nighttime, Herav Shemesh, to touch Truma. And according to Rashi, according to some understandings of Rashi, that he would have to wait till the nighttime, Herav Shemesh, to go up to Har Habayit. That is about Keri. A Zav, someone who sees has a different kind of an emission, and if he sees twice, then he's a Zav, and would have to wait 7 days and go to a Mayan in order to become Tahor. And if he saw 3 times this rare kind of emission, then he would have to also wait 7 days, Shiva Nakim, go to a Mayan, and Chusa Kippurim, he also would have to bring a Korban. So do we hold that today we're a Zav? And if a person is considered a Zav today, then it's obviously going to be a very different Tahara process. It's not going to go into the mikveh and then that's it, go up to Har Habayit. He needs to go ahead, wait 7 days, 7 clean days, Shiva Nakim, just like a woman who's a Nida who treats herself as a Zava today. So you have Shiva Nakim, then you have to go to a Mayan, which is like flowing water. It is not a mikveh. And he also will be Chusa Kippurim, which might have ramifications as well in terms of when his Tahara would be complete enough, they go up to Har Habayit. So the Minchat Yitzchak said there's two reasons why. This is in Minchat Yitzchak Chelek Hey, Siman Aleph, and this is in section number Vav 6, where he says 2 reasons why the average person is considered a Zav today. And therefore the Tahara process is just about impossible, and you can't do it today, according to him. And what are the 2 reasons? Say maybe a person had these emissions over the years, and since he had these emissions, then he became a Zav without even understanding, knowing what happened. So we have to be concerned about that. And also the Gemara says that an Am Haaretz is considered a Zav. And therefore, once the Gemara makes that statement, it means a Zav regarding the halachas of Har Habayit. That average person considered a Zav, he cannot go to Har Habayit without going through the Tahara process, which is a confusing one, a complicated one, a lengthy one, and we assume people are going to make mistakes with it, and therefore just cannot go. That is a summary of the Minchat Yitzchak's position on whether a person is considered to be a Zav today. He gives 2 reasons why, and naturally he assumes it would be also to go up to Har Habayit because we just cannot realistically work around this issue. Next year, we'll give the other side. Shalom.